Hello, we are here at a residential home of our customers in Haverford, and we just got done honing, diamond cutting. There's a lot of marks, yellow, different stains, discolorations, and I do not have the video or pictures of it, but it's all out. So this has been honed, and we come back and polish it up, and we're going to seal this. So this is the process that we're going to be doing. Here is one of our diamonds. These are actually diamonds, which we'll cut and hone, and then this is the polish. So this is our process. So we're going to be hitting this. So check us out for any of your granite or marble hone and polish counters or floors. Plus we do much more. www.navescleaning.com. Check us out. And I'll show you a little bit of the process here. We're going to start cutting this, honing it with the diamonds, and then we'll polish. So again, this will get all the imperfections out, like watermarks, stains, discolorations. And then after we're done, we'll have to back out with other diamonds. So the deeper we go, we have to come back and do a little finer diamonds, like an 800, 1200 cut, and then we're going to polish all this. Check us out. Keep us in mind again for all we do is clean and restore all your hard and soft surfaces, commercial and residential. Check us out. Give us a call, 610-405-2147, Nave Cleaning Services.